Hello, everybody. My name is Rasha Nahas. I'm very happy to take part in this festival, Wow, Women of the World. I was planning to shoot outside today, but due to the amazing Berlin weather, we're shooting from my apartment. I'd love to share with you a song that's called Desert. It's the title track from my upcoming album. And for me, this song speaks about the search of identity. And I wrote it right before moving from Palestine to Berlin. And here we go. Please take it all away. I am nobody I could name. Myself I float upon pearls. Some songs they've been buried for years. Myself I'm a desert torn. I was born on the mountain by the sea. The west drapes east, my west disease. I'm a little beast hiding up the street, in a little room with a little bed. On this dusty floor lies a human flesh. Time melts out my eyes as my heart is bleeding quarter tones, and I sail on the song. وتمختاري يا حلوة يا زينة، وتمختاري يا حلوة يا زينة. The Dead Sea used to be alive. She had a woman and a child, and she couldn't live at home. She said she wandered lost, and she wandered west to the place where the Bible spoke of God, all their temples and their floods. They hung her on a cross. She is a language no one dared to talk. Sweet bleeding palms and the breeze of death, they buried her. She is a roaring breath. Time melts out her eyes as her heart is bleeding quarter tones, and she sails on the soul. تمختاري In the breeze of death they bury me. I am a